Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be creating QR code generator. Watch this video till the end. First of all, look at this normal HTML body. We have taken a basic HTML boilerplate and created an input type of text format with a button. Below the button there is a div with ID as QR code. The additional div we have created for generating QR code. Now this is the basic HTML format. We are going to advance this by adding HTML and CSS. This line which we have pasted in our HTML file is an external JavaScript library or file for generating QR code. This is an open source JavaScript file which you will get online by directly searching on Google. There are various other JavaScript library which you will find online and are used for various other purposes. Now let's understand the JavaScript file in details. We have written a function generate QR, inside which we have created a variable QR div, and using DOM manipulation we have fetched the element using its ID code. Now again we are fetching the value of that input type text inside a variable text. In the next line we are checking a condition in which if the value of text is not null, then it will generate a new QR code inside the QR div element of width 100px and height 100px. Else it will return an alert message. Now let's add the functions generate QR on click of the button. And also add the script src line to the script.js. We can successfully generate the QR code. Now let's link the CSS file with the HTML file. Now let's understand each CSS line what we have done. Firstly, we added the background color in the body. Then in the div with main ID, we kept the display property as flex and applied all the basic flex property. If you want to learn flex property in details, then you can watch our CSS flex property video. Followed by we have set the position as absolute, left and 50% and transforming to bring the div in center. You can also watch the CSS position video to understand it more deeply. Each of the CSS property video is uploaded on this channel. Go to the description box and access all these web development videos. Our QR code generator is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will be uploading the link of the QR code generator JavaScript library in the description. You can scan this QR code and you will see the message clearly. We will be uploading these types of tutorials regularly on our channel. Keep supporting. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.